You shall be fruitful, you shall be prosperous, but if you do not abide in me, you shall wither and you shall die. Well, my Lord, I'm already there. I can feel life going from me. That realization has come as I begin to speak with you. It's as if the light has been shining in darkness now, even from this small little dialogue that we've had. I realize that I am dry bones. It's because I've allowed things to come in that should never have come in. You see, when you become ashamed of God, when you become somebody who turns your back on God, when you become somebody who starts to look like the world, your bones become dry. You don't want dry bones, because if all you were dry bones, you're somebody who can easily break a hip. You're somebody who can easily fracture your foot. You're somebody who can easily break a bone. Your bones are not strong. You take a step here and there, and you're breaking bones. You can hear things cracking as you move. You crack every knuckle within your body when you have dry bones. Those dry bones, all they did was make you weak and brittle. My goodness, they confound your natural mind. They make you ashamed of the light, and they make you cling to darkness. You're withering away. That's what's happening when you're dried bone. You don't want to be that. And so, because you heard my knock on the door, that gives me hope that you're somebody who's not dead yet. But if you stay in the state that you're in, a withered flower will continue to wither as long as it is separated from the nutrients that will give it life. If you want life, you better come on and eat this supper that I prepared for you. If you